This is Vijaya. Welcome to my channel We Teach. This is the video on map activity. In this video, we are going to see about the imaginary lines. They are latitudes and longitudes. They appear on the maps and globes as if they actually existed. Actually, இந்த குளோபில் இந்த இமேஜினரி லைன்ஸ் இந்த லாங்கிடியூட் அண்ட் latitudeன்றது இட் won't be குளோபில் நம்மளுக்கு இதில் இருக்காது. ஒன்லி we can able to see in the map and globes. earthலே அது அப்படியே வரைஞ்சிலாம் இருக்காது. For a geographist has done this one. For our clarification, they have divided this earth into like this. So they called it as a imaginary lines, longitude, latitudes, like this. Okay, so let us see deeply into this. The lines run east-west are known as lines of latitudes. Students, now you can see there are 5 lines that runs east to west. So these lines are called as lines of latitudes. Are clear? You can now see the 0 degree, the line that is running at the center. That line is called as equator. So the line of latitudes start at 0 degree at the equator. So next you can able to see 15 degree, 30 degree likewise. No, equator, that is north side, 15 degree north, 15 degree to 30 degree north, like that. And the south side, that is equator south, 15 degree south, 30 degree south, likewise up to 90 degree. So this degrees end at 90 degree at North Pole and South Pole. So on the whole totals 180 degree. Everything at the north of the equator is known as northern hemisphere, and everything at south of the equator is known as southern hemisphere. Lines of latitudes are called as parallels, and the distance between the each degree of latitude is about 110 kilometers. There are 5 major parallels of latitudes. They are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle. This picture will give you the full idea of the parallels of latitude. Now students, you can able to see that 0 degree the equator, the line that runs east to west at 0 degree is the equator, and 23.5 degree north, that is north of equator, is the Tropic of Cancer, and the line that runs at 23.5 degree south, that is south of equator, Tropic of Capricorn. The line that runs at 66.5 degree north is Arctic Circle, and the line that runs at 66.5 degree south is the Antarctic Circle. So you can see the full view, the North Pole, South Pole. So this Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle are frigid zone. Likewise, the Tropic of Cancer, that area has been a northern temperate zone. And likewise, the Tropic of Capricorn, that is a southern temperate zone. The area in between in the equator region are torrid zone. This map shows you the full view of the latitude lines. What are they? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. The lines run north-south are known as lines of longitude. They run from North Pole to South Pole, crossing the equator at right angle. All the lines are equal in length. The longitudinal line of 0 degree is known as prime meridian. The lines of longitudes are called as meridians. The prime meridian divides the world into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The distance between each degree of latitude is about 79 kilometers. Students, it is your activity. Take one world map and mark the 5 major parallels of latitudes and the longitudinal lines. This is your activity, and also copy out the latitudinal and the longitudinal sentence that has been given, important points. So mark it in your classwork. Thank you, students.